Okay, just know that this is step three. Know that very often this is going to be the only thing that you're going to be trying to factor. You won't have had this out front, and so you can see what we're doing right now in terms of just this. Okay, we'll keep track of that -2 the whole time, but that's really going to be the meat and potatoes of the thing that you're going to usually be tasked with doing. Okay. Anyway, let's follow the rules now. What we've got here is this is our A value, this is our B value, -1, and this is our C value, -35, in this trinomial that we're factoring further now that we've gotten the -2 out. Okay, so it says, look at the sign of C. This is C, so what's the sign? The sign is negative. Okay, it says if it's positive, you'd make both parentheses have the same sign, but it's not, it's negative. Is C negative? Yes, it is. We'll make the sign in the middle of the first parentheses positive and the other negative. What we're doing here is we're saying, we're going to rewrite this to be, we still say -2, but now we're going to break this 6x squared minus x minus 35 into two binomials. And we'll do that finally on a further step, but what it says is make the first one plus, make the next one minus, and that's all we need to do for this particular step.